Ready to delete your Temu profile? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Temu app or go to temu.com on your browser. Now log into your account. Here you can see your profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it to go to Profile. Scroll down until you find Settings option. Look for Account Settings and scroll down until you see Delete Account option. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the deletion. Keep in mind that this action will permanently remove all your account information and order history. Before deleting your profile, make sure to check for any pending orders or refunds. Have you ever considered deleting your profile? Let me know your reasons below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.